everybody. So there's been a flood watch. I think it goes into effect until this evening, and came out to the property to see how the creek is doing, and here you go. Wow, look at that. Definitely good to know. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's still safe. It's still safe. Well, the bridge that I set up yesterday is now gone. There you go. Creek's definitely flooded. Pretty impressive to see. But what's encouraging is even though it's pretty high right now, there's no threat to where we want to build or anything like that. So, I mean, it could definitely get higher. So we'll keep an eye out on things like that, but pretty cool. So thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.